Hello everybody, I wanted to give you an idea of a new RedFoot hut that we've made. The other hut over time has gone bad. This is a new design that we've come up with. Just kind of want to share it with you folks a little bit. It's a double door design, and one thing that we've done that's kind of neat is we have this little door, and what that door locks down. And the idea of this door is that you don't keep the big doors open because the RedFoot like to be able to go in to hide. And if you keep the big doors open like we have here, well, then they're very exposed and don't really like that. So a nice thing about being able to open the doors is you're able to clean the structure really well. You notice we've got flat plywood on the bottom, and that way you can get in there with a hose and wash and disinfect that out. Now the nice idea that we have here too is coming up with this double door design. Let me just lock this. Open this. So we have this type of setup where both doors open. It gives you great access. We'll make a little latch here so we can hook these together. And this gives us great access to get in there, clean things out. And what we do for heating purposes is we hang 3 brooder lamps from the top, 320-watt brooder lamps. Now you folks up north, you'd have to insulate this. Down here we don't need much more than what we have here. But you folks up north would actually double insulate that wall. Then what we'll do for the roof is we're going to cover the roof with a tar paper roll. It comes out a long roll. You cut it. You only have to need about 2 sheets on there, and that way you'll seal the top. You won't have problems with that. Okay, one thing also that's important you have to notice is the slant on the roof. You want a good slant on that roof. That way the water runs off quickly and doesn't collect on the roof. That's also very important. Okay, one thing I want to explain is that if you notice, the hut is actually about 6, 7, 8 inches off the ground. This is important because if you don't keep the base of the hut, the floor of the hut, off the ground, what tends to happen is as the animals come in and go out, they track a lot of dirt in there, a lot of mud in there, and when you're washing out, then you create a lot of mud around the structure. So it's important to get that bottom up off the ground so that you can properly clean the hut out and it doesn't get filled with a lot of debris. And we've got this little ramp also. So what the little ramp does, it just gives them easy access to get in there. And of course you can lock that bottom door in the wintertime so they can't come out. There's a little latch on that other side, allows us to lock that bottom door as well. So that's it. That's our RedFoot hut, new design. I hope you like it. Send me an email, tell me what you think. Thanks a lot, folks.